Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And I got my buddy with me again, my buddy from Canada, another brother from another mother that's down here visiting Philadelphia, visiting my hometown and where I grew up at. And we're here at the famous spot of all places in Philadelphia, Gino's Steak, where you get the true authentic steak. So he's Canadian, his son is back there. We're gonna see what they're gonna say about this true authentic cheesesteaks, because cheesesteaks started in Philadelphia and they're about to get excited and see what this is all about. So what do you gotta say, Paul?
I'm looking forward to it. I hope it's good. Better live up to the hype.
We'll see guys. Stay tuned to the next clip, because we're gonna definitely show you what it's hitting for. So there's a choice where you can go with Pat's or you can go with Gino's. Oh, let me see. There you go, Gino's Steaks. So it's all about preference, guys. It's all about preference. So some people like Pat's and some people like Gino's. I don't know what's going on camera. There it is. So I'm choosing Gino, guys. The reason for that is because I was told and grew up in Philadelphia, this is the best place to get steaks from. So I'm sticking to my tradition. I could have went with Pat's. I'm not a fan of Pat's, but I'm going with Gino. So we're gonna see what our friends from across the border thinks about true authentic cheesesteaks from Gino's.
Was that cheese whiz?
These are all the patches from all the tops that came down here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the moment of truth. We're about to indulge in some beautiful cheesesteaks, true authentic cheesesteaks, and our friends from across the borders is about to see what a true authentic cheesesteak tastes like. So dive right in, brother. Let's take a look. Look at that. Wow. Yep. Cheers. What do you think? Yeah? Pretty good? Awesome. What do you think, Anch? There you go. So this tastes good, huh?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Oh, that's good.
It's one bite, but I can take this whole thing down.
There you go.
Oh, what is it?
Sounds like we got a winner, right?
We have a winner.
We have a winner. So describe the taste, the texture. What do you think about it?
It's actually the beef's cooked the way it should be, I guess.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not an expert on cheesesteaks, but it's shaved nice and thin.
What do you think about Canadian cheesesteaks versus this?
The Canadian cheesesteaks I have are the ones that I make myself at home. Other than that, you get crap pretty much when you go to cheesesteaks somewhere.
I'm just suspicious about one thing.
What's that?
It's made in about 2 minutes.
Oh, because they already cook it fast on the griddle, buddy, and it's shaved beef.
Yeah, just like McDonald's, microwave.
But there you have it, folks. There you have it. We got true authentic cheesesteaks. Guys across the border loves it. They're definitely enjoying it. We got the cheese fries right here. We got our drinks, and we're about to indulge. Man, this looks good, guys. So we have a winner for Gino's Cheesesteaks. First time eating traditional, original, authentic cheesesteaks from Philadelphia, where it started from. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's a little windy out here, so we're gonna cut it short. And this is our review on cheesesteaks, the Philadelphia style.